Hey guys, if you are someone who understands English but struggles to speak fluently, then this video is just for you. Tell me honestly, do you hesitate while speaking English? Do you feel nervous or run out of words? Don't worry, because today I'm going to share with you a powerful and practical way to practice English speaking anytime, anywhere. Well, I'm talking about using ChatGPT. Yes, your phone can become your personal English speaking partner. Let's understand why ChatGPT. Because it is available for you 24/7. It never charges you. Besides, you can practice at your own speed. So you do not need to worry about your speed. Like I speak so slow and the other speaking partner is so fast. So not at all. So you just chill and relax because ChatGPT is going to match your speed. And you do not need any partner or friend to practice English anymore. So that's the reason ChatGPT comes to our rescue. Well, now let's understand the step by step method that we need to follow to practice speaking English. So now I will teach you a simple 5-step method to practice speaking English with ChatGPT. Step number 1. Start with simple conversations. Do not rush for advanced one. Open ChatGPT and type, let's do a basic English conversation. Like you can say, ask me simple questions. Now, ChatGPT will start asking you questions like, what is your name? Where do you live? What do you do? Now, your task is to answer in English, no matter how simple or broken it is. So I have just installed ChatGPT on my phone and I have logged in at the same time with my Google account. So now I'm all ready to show you a demo, live demo, where you will see me talking to ChatGPT in English. Shall we start? Let's begin. So it's all ready. Hi ChatGPT, I would like to talk to you in English. So can you just ask me some basic questions?
Of course, I'd be happy to. Let's start simple. Can you tell me about your favorite hobby or something you like to do in your free time?
Well, my favorite hobby is reading. I love reading in free time.
That's great. What kind of books do you usually enjoy? Do you have a favorite genre or maybe a recent book that you really liked?
Well, I'm interested in novels and motivational books as well.
Ah, nice mix. So, do you have a favorite novel or a motivational book that really inspired you recently? I'd love to hear.
Uh, well, recently I just finished reading Ikigai and I just love this book.
Oh, that's a wonderful book. I love how it talks about finding purpose and balance in life. What was your favorite lesson or idea from it?
Well, I personally found my Ikigai. That's the purpose of reading this book actually. Step number 2. Use voice practice. Very important it is. Don't just type, speak. This time you have to speak. Turn on your voice typing. Speak your answers loudly. This will improve your pronunciation, confidence, and fluency. Now, step number 3. Ask for corrections. Do not just speak on and on. Ask for corrections as well. So after answering, type, please correct my sentences and improve it. For example, you can say, I am going to market yesterday. ChatGPT will correct it like, I went to the market yesterday. And this is how you learn from your mistakes instantly. So ChatGPT, now I am going to speak something in English, and I want you to do the correction wherever is required.
Absolutely. Just go ahead and speak, and I'll let you know if there are any corrections or improvements to help you sound more natural.
Thank you so much. So, if I say that I am go to market yesterday, is there anything wrong?
Ah, good effort. So instead of saying I am go to market yesterday, you'd say I went to the market yesterday. Keep it simple with the past tense.
Oh, all right. Thank you so much for the correction. And here comes step number 4. Practice real life situations. Now, this is going to be the most interesting part. You can say, let's do a role play. Like you are a shopkeeper and I am a customer. Or you can say that you are an interviewer and I am a candidate. Now, ChatGPT will create a real life situations and you can practice speaking like in real life. Hi ChatGPT, this time I want you to have a role play with me where I'll be the customer and you are going to be a shopkeeper. So let's talk accordingly.
That sounds great. I'm ready. So just let me know what kind of shop we're in and what you'd like, and we'll get started with the conversation.
Well, suppose it's a garment store and I'm going to buy a dress.
Perfect. Welcome to our garment store. I'm happy to help you. What kind of dress are you looking for? Maybe a
Well,
casual dress, something formal, or a specific color or style in mind?
I am looking for a party wear dress.
Ah, great choice. We have a few beautiful party dresses. Do you have a color or length in mind, like knee length, long, or a particular color you'd love?
Well, I like long dress in red color.
Excellent choice. I have a stunning red long dress right here. It's got a sleek fit and a bit of a flare at the bottom. Would you like to try it on, or do you have any questions about the size?
Yeah, definitely. I would like to try first, then I'll decide.
Of course. Let me grab that for you. The fitting room is just over here. Take your time, and if you need any other sizes or styles, just let me know.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. If you need anything else while you're trying it on, just call me and I'll be right here.
All right, I'll go and try.
Sounds good. I'll be here if you need any help or if you have any feedback after you try it on.
Cool. Thank you. Now comes step number 5, daily speaking challenge. Make sure that you are going to practice with ChatGPT regularly. For this, you can do that. You can tell ChatGPT to give me a daily 5-minute speaking topic. Some topics like my daily routine, my favorite movie, my childhood memory, etc. And then start speaking for 2 to 5 minutes on that specific topic every day. Hi ChatGPT, I want to practice speaking in English, so can you suggest me some topic?
Of course, I'd be happy to. Are you looking for general conversation topics or something specific, like for an essay, a debate, or maybe just casual chat?
For instance, like daily routine or my favorite movie or childhood memory?
Ah, perfect. Those are great choices. You could also talk about your favorite travel destination, a hobby you've picked up recently, or even a goal you have for the future. Anything in particular you feel like diving into first?
Um, Travel. Let's talk about travel.
Awesome. Travel is such a fun topic. So, is there a place you visited that left a big impression on you, or maybe a dream destination you hope to see someday?
Uh, I want to talk about a travel that I have recently been to.
That sounds great. Where did you go on a recent trip? I'd love to hear about what you did, what stood out, and how the experience was for you.
I have been on a vacation for around 8 to 10 days, and I went to meet my relatives in UP. There was a wedding, so we covered the entire distance by road. It was really a long journey. I mean, it took me around 10 to 12 hours to reach at the destination, and it was really very exhausting. I suffer from, I have motion
Oh,
sickness issues. So even though I managed somehow, and
God.
the moment I reached at the place, I forgot all the sufferings and everything.
I'm
And then I became really happy. I enjoyed the entire wedding, the celebration, the rituals, and I also met my cousins. We had a long conversation, and they were
That sounds
praising me for my appearance and the way I talk. I share knowledge with people, and
that must have
yeah, a lot of things happened.
I can imagine. It sounds like such a warm reunion. I'm really glad you got to reconnect and enjoy those moments, even after such a long, tiring journey.
And this is how, by following these 5 steps, you can practice speaking English all alone with ChatGPT. And now, once you are comfortable, try these advanced methods. First, storytelling practice. So ask ChatGPT, give me a short story and I will retell it in my own words. By doing this, you will improve your vocabulary, sentence structure, confidence. Second, you can start debate practice. So for this, you can say, let's do a debate on online learning versus offline learning. Now, speak your opinion in English. Number 3, error analysis practice. So you can analyze my speaking level and tell me my mistakes. So tell ChatGPT to analyze your speaking level. By doing this, ChatGPT will guide you on your grammar, vocabulary, and fluency. And the next, learn phrases and use them. So ask ChatGPT, give me 10 daily use English phrases. Then try to use them in your conversation. Now let's talk about mistakes that you should avoid. Number 1, don't just read, speak actively. And don't be afraid of making mistakes. It's absolutely okay. And don't try to be perfect all the time. Focus on communication. And don't skip daily practice. Remember, consistency is more important than perfection. So do not chase perfection, as I always say. Now, here I'm going to share with you a simple 7-day plan. So, for day 1 and 2, you can practice basic conversation with ChatGPT. Day 3 and 4, role plays. And on day 5, you can practice storytelling. And on day 6, you can practice speaking on different topics. And day 7 is going to be your full conversation practice. Just 15 to 20 minutes daily can improve your English dramatically. So, friends, now you don't need to wait for a speaking partner or a teacher. ChatGPT is your personal English coach. So, start today, speak daily, and within a few weeks, you will see a huge improvement in your confidence. Well, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel and comment below. When are you starting your English speaking practice? I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing, keep learning. Bye bye.